Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's therapy, creativity, and a way to connect with nature. But to make the most of it, you need the right tools. Today, we're counting down the 10 best gardening tools that will save you time, protect your hands, and make your garden thrive. Let's dig in. Number 1. The Chapin 8701B Garden Push Seeder Planter is designed to simplify the process of sowing vegetable seeds in rows. Built with a powder-coated steel frame and cushioned handle grips, it balances durability with comfort during use. At its core is a rust-resistant poly hopper that holds up to 1.5 liters of seeds, making it suitable for extended planting sessions. The seeder comes with 6 interchangeable seed plates, allowing compatibility with up to 20 different seed types, ranging from beans and peas to carrots, spinach, and lettuce. As you push the tool forward, it performs 4 tasks in one motion: marking the row, opening the soil with a zinc plow blade, dropping seeds at consistent spacing, and covering them with the rear wheel. An adjustable row marker ensures even spacing between rows, which can be customized depending on the crop. This integration of functions helps maintain efficiency and consistency in garden planting. Number 2. The 12-piece silicone thumb knife gardening tool set is designed to make harvesting and plant care safer and more efficient. The set includes 2 large thumb knives, 2 medium thumb knives for anti-cutting finger sleeves, and 4 silicone finger sleeves, providing protection and versatility for different tasks. The thumb knives feature a 15-degree angled blade, which allows for natural cutting motions when trimming fruits, vegetables, or herbs. Each blade is covered with a silicone guard for added safety when not in use. The sleeves protect fingers from dirt, scratches, and minor cuts, making them especially useful during repetitive harvesting. Made from durable silicone, the tools are lightweight, flexible, and built for extended use. This multifunctional set is suitable for a variety of gardening activities, including fruit picking, vegetable harvesting, and plant trimming, offering both precision and protection for gardeners who want to work comfortably and efficiently. Number 3. The Ultra Comfort Cut resistant sleeves are designed to provide reliable arm protection during gardening, farming, and other outdoor or industrial tasks. Made with patented metal Q fiber, which is 3 times stronger than steel at the same weight, these sleeves deliver ANSI cut level 4 resistance. This means they can guard against scratches, bites, sharp edges, and thorny plants while remaining lightweight and flexible. Unlike traditional HPP materials, they are non-irritating and allergy-free, making them especially suitable for people with sensitive or thin skin, including those taking blood thinners. The sleeves feature a smooth, cooling surface that is 25% lighter and more breathable than standard protective fabrics, while also offering UV protection for outdoor use. Designed with thumb holes, adjustable closures, and elastic knit, they provide a snug, one-size-fits-all fit. Their versatility extends beyond gardening to tasks like trimming branches, handling metal, or food processing, ensuring comfort and safety across multiple activities. Number 4. The Doka Gardening Tools Extension Pole is a telescoping pruner that can extend from 5 feet to 12 feet. It is designed for trimming trees, picking fruit, and clearing leaves from rooftops. The pole is made of strong aluminum, which makes it both lightweight and durable. A thumb lever clasp allows you to lock the pole at the length you need, and screws can be tightened to prevent slipping. For best stability, extend the thicker lower sections first. The saw blade is 13 inches long, razor sharp, and cuts in both directions with a 3 times tooth design. This makes cutting branches up to 2 inches in diameter easier because the blade does most of the work with simple back and forth motions. The saw can be used on the pole for high branches or as a handheld tool for low pruning. The pole also has a universal threaded tip that fits other attachments. Number 5. The Hermsch Heavy-Duty Triangle Hoe Garden Tool is a versatile manual weeder designed for multiple gardening tasks such as weeding, digging, loosening soil, hoeing, edging, and cultivating. It features an adjustable long handle that extends from 38.8 inches to 52.7 inches, making it suitable for gardeners of different heights. The ergonomic rubber grip provides comfort and helps reduce strain on the back and knees during extended use. Built from premium carbon steel with a rust-resistant coating, the hoe is durable enough to withstand heavy-duty work in various weather conditions. Its sharp triangular blade cuts efficiently through weeds and soil, while the hollow design prevents clogging, allowing smooth movement. Assembly is simple, requiring only a few minutes to screw 4 pieces together, and the tool can be detached for compact storage. With its sturdy construction and adaptable design, this hoe is a practical choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Number 6. The Kind-Up Garden Tools Set is a 7-piece collection designed to cover most daily gardening needs. It includes a garden trowel, hand rake, transplanter, pruning shears, a plant repotting mat, a pair of gloves, and a garden bag to keep everything organized. Each tool is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which is lightweight, rust-resistant, and durable, helping reduce hand fatigue while ensuring a long lifespan. The material is also eco-friendly and non-toxic, making it safe for regular use. The included gloves and repotting mat help keep work tidy and protect hands from dirt and scratches. The garden bag provides convenient storage and portability, allowing you to carry all tools easily to your workspace. Designed with ergonomic handles, the tools offer a secure, comfortable grip that minimizes strain during extended sessions. Whether planting seedlings, pruning, or digging, this set provides reliable performance and comfort for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Number 7. The Fiskars ISO Core Pickaxe-Matic is a dual-head tool designed for demanding tasks such as breaking hardened ground, cutting through roots, and prying rocks. Weighing 1.5 pounds, it combines strength with manageable weight for controlled swings. A key feature is the ISO Core shock control system, which absorbs impact and transfers up to 2 times less shock and vibration compared to standard pickaxes. This reduces fatigue and makes extended use more comfortable. The handle is textured, insulated, and non-slip, helping to minimize vibrations while providing a secure grip. A flared end prevents slipping during powerful swings, adding safety and precision. The head is inseparably riveted to the handle, ensuring it stays firmly attached even under heavy force. Made from forged steel, the construction is durable and built to last, making this pickaxe a reliable choice for tough outdoor work where strength and comfort are equally important. Number 8. The Kind-Up pruning shears are heavy-duty garden scissors designed for precise and efficient cutting. The blades are made from professional SK5 steel, which is known for being ultra-strong, sharp, and resistant to rust and corrosion. This makes them reliable for long-term use in different gardening conditions. Measuring 8.6 inches, the shears are built with an ergonomic handle that features a soft silicone matte grip. This design reduces hand pressure, prevents slipping, and provides comfort during extended pruning sessions. A simple lock and unlock button adds safety and convenience, allowing the blades to be secured when not in use. These shears can cut branches up to 1 inch in diameter, depending on the wood type, making them versatile for tasks such as deadheading, trimming roses, shaping shrubs, or maintaining bonsai plants. Suitable for flowers, vegetables, and small trees, the Kind-Up pruning shears combine durability, comfort, and precision for everyday garden care. Number 9. The Flinter Rolling Garden Work Seat with Wheels is a multifunctional cart designed to make gardening more comfortable and organized. Its 4-in-1 design combines a spacious inner storage basket, a multipurpose lid, and a cushioned seat. The EVA cushion pad measures 10.2 inches wide, offering one of the largest seating surfaces available, which helps reduce back and knee strain during long gardening sessions. The lid can also flip over to act as a handle, allowing the cart to be pulled easily. Equipped with 4.7-inch rubber wheels and a built-in handle, the cart moves smoothly across different types of terrain, making it suitable for both seniors and younger users. The metal storage basket provides ample space for tools, seeds, gloves, or soil, keeping essentials within reach. Built with reinforced steel construction, the cart supports up to 400 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. Easy to assemble and versatile, it can also be used in workshops, farms, or patios. Number 10. The DeWalt 20V Max pruning shears are cordless garden tools designed to make trimming flowers, bushes, and branches more efficient. With a cutting capacity of 1.5 inches, they can handle thick stems and shrubs with ease. Powered by a 20V Max battery, the pruner delivers up to 1,100 cuts per charge, making it suitable for extended use without frequent recharging. Weighing only 3 pounds, the tool is lightweight and reduces strain during long gardening sessions. Compared to manual pruners, it requires up to 16 times less effort, helping minimize hand fatigue. The blades are coated with a non-stick finish for smooth cutting and reduced sap buildup, and they can be replaced easily using the included change tool. An onboard LED light provides visibility in low-light areas, ensuring precision even in shaded or evening conditions. Compact, powerful, and user-friendly, this pruner is built for both convenience and performance.